Alright, hello. This is for my Unit 4 portfolio, and here's some of my work that I've done before. This is a pattern that I made in Adobe Illustrator in my vector graphics class, and this was the first pattern I made actually in that class. Like, I've never really made a pattern before. I tried to align it well, but as you can see, I didn't really align it that well up here. I actually just realized that right now. I did do two shapes. I just did one and like rotated them and just tried to align them so they aligned well with each other. My second one is a robot bunny. I was supposed to originally do a dog, but I don't know why, but last minute I just decided to do a bunny. This one I was just making a robot with shapes, with various shapes, using like the ellipse tool and the rectangle tool, the star tool for the eyes, and the gradients. I honestly like the way this came out. I think it's cute. Let's see, in Unit 4C is a dumpling. It was supposed to be a food character of my favorite food. So one of them just happened to be a dumpling. So as you can see, I added some brown shading parts where the indents or like the little curved thingy for the dumpling was at. I used the gradient for the light, for the light effect, and then I added a face on that. Also I sketched that one before I drew it, so here's the original sketch right here. It was just a rough draft just to like guide me, and here is number 4. This was an uncolored version of my Cupcake in my recent class. It was supposed to be like insignia badge thing. The theme I chose was ice, and the slogan is right here: happiness is in your hands. And the established date was 1984, even though that's not real, but I created that, and I did sketch that one out also. Here is a rough draft of my sketch. I did that because I wasn't sure like what to put here, but I already put something here in my original one, as you can see. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd like to know what you have to say. Thank you.